some nice spring weather. It's around 13 degrees right now, and that's like around 50 in Fahrenheit or 51. So it's been a crazy spring that we have so far. We just got some snow last week, so I think this is a perfect day for a ride. First ride of spring, and then after we'll do a bike check. Okay, see you later. So after a quick spin in the neighborhood, I guess my Cervelo R3 is all set for this season. Let's do a little bike check here. My Cervelo R3, guys. I got this before the pandemic. Cervelo is a Canadian company. In French, it means brain, and the velo in Italian means bike. So I got here a brain bike in short. The frame is fully carbon, and the fork size 51. It weighs only 7.43 kilogram. I got the Ultegra 8000 group set. It's 2x11, and the wheel set is a full chrome racing rim. So everything is on stock. I didn't change anything. So because of the pandemic, the regular ride was put on hold. So now that the things are getting back to normal, I guess we're gonna be back on the road and on the trail. This is my Cervelo R3. That's it for the quick bike check and a quick spin on the neighborhood. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.